So for y equal negative 4 sine 1/10 x, first we want to find the amplitude. So remember, if we have a sinusoid and we look at the baseline, and that's the line that goes through the middle of it, that it oscillates about. The amplitude is how far away you get from the baseline, and we just count the distance from the baseline, whether it's above the baseline or below the baseline. So here we see we have a negative 4 out in front. The negative 4 would reflect the graph, but the amplitude would be 4. That is the largest distance that it would be from the baseline. Okay, the next thing we want to do is find the period, and for sine, normally the period would be 2 pi, unless there is something sitting in front of the x here, a coefficient, and that will affect the amplitude, and so we need to divide by that. Remember, that's called omega, and so 2 pi over omega will give us the period, and so I need to take this and multiply by the reciprocal, 10 over 1, so it looks like 20 pi is our period. So we can enter it as 20 pi. Well, that's what we want. The way we would type it is 20 and type pi, and you would see in your preview that it knows that's a pi.